This is my breakfast for this morning. When I have some errands to run, I try to have a good breakfast so I won't get hungry until lunchtime. If I'm around the house, I usually have oatmeal or cereal, piece of fruit, and that lasts me until lunchtime, which is around 2 o'clock, between 2 and 3, because that's the time I'm kind of used to have my lunch. So what we have for breakfast, of course, I have some sauerkraut for digestion, they say, for your guts. It's good in the morning. And here I have a piece of toast, small piece, homemade bread, poached eggs. I had my last hash brown in the freezer, so I had to use that. And 2 small sausages. So poached eggs, blanched spinach, hash brown, a toast. And of course I have my juice, apple juice. So that's my breakfast for this morning. This is my breakfast for today. So what I have here, I have cottage cheese, some seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, you name it, healthy seeds. And I drizzled with some honey. And here I have my homemade muffin, carrots, and zucchini. So I still have quite a few muffins to go through. I enjoy them here and there. And here I have grapefruit. They're on sale, 2 for 99 cents. So that was a good deal. And if you cut them in half, I had 4 breakfasts. Actually, I had 3 breakfasts, and this will be my last one. And one I had just in the afternoon. So what I did, I cut around, then I cut the wedges, as you can see, and I drizzled with honey. So this is my healthy breakfast. Highly recommend. This is my breakfast for this morning because I'm going out, so I'm trying to have kind of a big breakfast. So what I have here, I have homemade bread. I put lots of seeds in that bread, so it's like multi-grain bread. Then I have avocado, scrambled eggs, and stir-fry enoki mushrooms. Avocados were on sale in that vegetable shop I discovered recently. So 3 avocados is for 99 cents. That's a steal. I bought only 2 because, you know, sometimes with avocados, you never know. But they are really good. There is no black kind of thing inside. And I mashed avocado, scrambled egg, and enoki mushroom. 1 pack is 69 cents, and it lasts me for a couple meals. And kiwi, they were also 99 cents for 3 of them. So that's my posh breakfast for this morning. Here is my lunch for today. I have Greek salad. I had green olives instead of black. I have a couple tins, but I didn't want to open until I finished the green ones. So that's the Greek salad. Feta cheese, cucumbers, had half a pepper, 2 tomatoes, onion, and that's my Greek salad. And here what I have sweet potatoes, slice of bread, homemade bread with cheese, and dipping sauce for my sweet potatoes. And I did them in air fry. I kind of getting hang of this air fry. I kind of like it. It's early morning and I already cooked my lunch for today. And the reason is because I have something very important to do today, and it's quite far away. So what I have here, I have pot stickers. I had them in the freezer. I made them a while back, so I'm trying to use them. I had chicken and pork mince, and rubs I bought from the shops. And the bok choy, I didn't want anything fancy or any sauce on top of garlic sauce. I just wanted to blanch. I drizzled with sesame oil and sprinkled some sesame seeds. So that's my lunch for today when I'm back. I had enough even for tomorrow, so I packed in the container. Also, I had enoki mushrooms, so I stir fry them and I just added into this container. I'm sure it's gonna be yummy. So that's my lunch for today and tomorrow. This is my lunch for today. It's a small salad in baked tortilla shell. I have green kind of leaf lettuce, greens. And I have cucumbers, I have cherry tomatoes. I had the chicken thigh, so I cooked and I shredded. I don't know if you can see it. So shredded chicken, some mozzarella cheese, and seeds. I drizzled with oil, and I'm gonna drizzle probably with balsamic glaze. Yeah, that's the one. So that's my salad for today. Here is my lunch for today. Today is Sunday, so what I have here, it's chicken cutlet. What I did, I pounded a little bit, then I put in the flour first, then egg wash, then in breadcrumbs. In breadcrumbs, I added a little bit of paprika, and that's why it looks like crispy, just to have some color. And steamed vegetables with mashed potatoes, which I didn't have for a while. And I'm looking very forward to it. Oh, and the gravy is actually from Dollarama. I buy turkey gravy. I believe it's $1.50 for 2 packs. It's quite good deal. Sorry, rumbling. Looking forward to my lunch. So yeah, it's $1.75 or $1.50 2 packs. Out of a pack, I make gravy twice. So it's like basically four meals out of 2 packs. And it's very tasty. You don't need to add anything. So that's my lunch for today. I had a bit of mashed potatoes, and I had my second cutlet, a little bit of gravy, so my lunch is covered for tomorrow. All I have to do, maybe add some green beans and carrots. So that's my lunch for tomorrow.